While there are several habits that can have negative effects on brain health, it's important to note that the brain is a highly adaptable organ, and many of its functions can improve with lifestyle changes. Here are 10 habits that are generally considered to be detrimental to brain health. Poor sleep. Inadequate sleep or poor sleep quality can have a significant impact on brain health. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories, repairs cells, and removes waste products. Consistently getting insufficient sleep can impair cognitive function, attention, and memory, and increase the risk of developing conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Chronic stress. Prolonged exposure to stress can negatively affect the brain. The release of stress hormones, such as cortisol, in large amounts can lead to structural and functional changes in the brain. Chronic stress can shrink the hippocampus, a region vital for memory formation, and impair cognitive function. It may also increase the risk of mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. Sedentary lifestyle. Physical activity is not only essential for cardiovascular health but also for maintaining a healthy brain. Engaging in regular exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients necessary for optimal function. A sedentary lifestyle, on the other hand, can lead to reduced blood flow, limiting the brain's ability to perform at its best. Unhealthy diet. The brain requires proper nutrition to function optimally. Consuming a diet high in processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. This can damage brain cells and negatively impact cognitive function. Conversely, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can support brain health. Excessive alcohol consumption. While moderate alcohol consumption may not cause significant harm, excessive and prolonged drinking can have severe consequences for the brain. Alcohol is a neurotoxin that can damage brain cells, disrupt neurotransmitter levels, and impair cognitive function. Chronic alcohol abuse can lead to memory problems, difficulties with decision-making, and an increased risk of neurodegenerative disorders. Smoking. Smoking cigarettes or using other tobacco products can have detrimental effects on the brain. Nicotine constricts blood vessels, reducing blood flow to the brain and diminishing the supply of oxygen and nutrients. The toxic chemicals in tobacco smoke can also lead to oxidative stress and inflammation, increasing the risk of stroke, cognitive decline, and neurodegenerative diseases. Drug abuse. Illicit drug use, particularly stimulants like cocaine or methamphetamine, can cause long-term damage to the brain. These substances can disrupt the brain's reward system and lead to addiction. Prolonged drug abuse can result in structural and functional changes in the brain, impairing cognitive abilities, memory, and overall mental health. Lack of mental stimulation. The brain thrives on intellectual stimulation. Failing to engage in mentally challenging activities can contribute to cognitive decline over time. Activities such as reading, solving puzzles, learning new skills, and engaging in intellectually stimulating conversations can help maintain cognitive function and promote brain health. Social isolation. Human connection is essential for overall well-being, including brain health. Long-term isolation and limited social interaction can lead to increased stress, depression, and anxiety. Social engagement provides mental stimulation, emotional support, and a sense of purpose, all of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy brain. Not managing chronic conditions. Chronic health conditions like hypertension, diabetes, and obesity can have detrimental effects on the brain if not properly managed. These conditions can impair blood flow, increase inflammation, and cause oxidative stress, all of which contribute to cognitive decline and an increased risk of neurological disorders. It's important to note that the effects of these habits on the brain can vary from person to person. Adopting a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, quality sleep, stress management, mental stimulation, and social engagement can help protect